Welcome to our cosmic journey through the strangest exoplanets ever discovered. Buckle up as we explore these bizarre worlds beyond our solar system. You know, when I was a kid, we only knew about the planets in our own backyard. Today, thanks to incredible advancements in telescopes and technology, we've discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars. And let me tell you, some of these exoplanets are straight out of science fiction, stranger than anything we could have imagined. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to dive into the weirdest, most extreme, and most fascinating planets in the known universe. Prepare for scorching hot gas giants, planets where it rains molten glass, and maybe even a diamond planet or two. Let's kick things off with a planet that's downright inhospitable, HD 189733b. This gas giant, located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, might appear serene from a distance, a beautiful azure blue. But don't let that fool you, this is one seriously violent world. You see, HD 189733b orbits its star incredibly closely, whipping around it in a tight orbit that only takes about 2 days. This proximity results in some pretty extreme conditions. We're talking scorching temperatures of over 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt silver. But that's not even the craziest part. The real showstopper on HD 189733b is the weather. Imagine winds howling at speeds of over 5,000 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. That's not all. These winds carry with them a rather unusual form of precipitation, molten glass. Yes, you heard that right, glass rain. And because of the extreme wind speeds, this glass rain falls sideways, whipping across the planet in a deadly supersonic shower. It's hard to imagine a more hostile environment than this. HD 189733b is a stark reminder that the universe is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. If you thought HD 189733b was hot, hold on to your hats because we're about to crank up the heat. Meet Kelt 9b, the hottest exoplanet ever discovered. Located about 670 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, Kelt 9b is a gas giant that makes Jupiter look like a lukewarm bath. This scorching world boasts a surface temperature of over 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of some stars. How can a planet be hotter than a star, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to its insanely close orbit around its host star, Kelt 9, a blue giant that's significantly hotter and more massive than our own sun. Kelt 9b whips around its star in a mere 36 hours, tidally locked with one side perpetually facing the inferno. The intense radiation from the star bombards Kelt 9b's atmosphere, superheating it to these mind-boggling temperatures. To put this in perspective, the hottest planet in our solar system, Venus, only reaches a measly 867 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelt 9b makes Venus look like a winter wonderland. At these temperatures, molecules in the planet's atmosphere are ripped apart into their constituent atoms. It's a truly alien world, one where the very concept of a solid surface ceases to exist. Now let's cool things down a bit, or at least try to, with Gliese 436b, a planet that defies logic and challenges our understanding of physics. This Neptune-sized world, located just 30 light-years away in the constellation Leo, is a true enigma. It's covered in what scientists call burning ice. I know what you're thinking. Burning ice? Neil, have you been into the space snacks again? But I assure you, this is real and it's a fascinating phenomenon. Gliese 436b is tidally locked to its red dwarf star, with one side always facing the star. While this creates a scorching hot day side, the night side should be incredibly cold, right? Well, here's where it gets weird. Despite the extreme temperature differences, the planet's powerful gravity compresses the water molecules on its surface, preventing them from evaporating even on the scorching day side. This intense pressure forces the water to remain in a solid state, even at temperatures exceeding 570 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yes, the ice on Gliese 436b literally burns. It's a bizarre and counterintuitive concept, a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist in the universe. Gliese 436b is a stark reminder that our understanding of physics is constantly being challenged and redefined as we explore the cosmos. Hold on tight because we're about to embark on a wild ride around PSRJ 1719-1438b, a planet that makes even the fastest roller coaster look sluggish. This bizarre world, located some 4,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens, is a pulsar planet, meaning it orbits a rapidly rotating neutron star, a remnant of a massive star that exploded in a supernova. Pulsars are like cosmic lighthouses, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across space as they spin. PSRJ 1719-1438 spins at an astonishing rate of over 170 rotations per second. Now back to our planet. PSRJ 1719-1438b is a true speed demon, completing a full orbit around its pulsar in a mind-boggling 2.2 hours. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 2 hours. Talk about living life in the fast lane. This breakneck speed is due to the incredibly close proximity of the planet to its pulsar host. But there's more to this story than just speed. PSRJ 1719-1438b is no ordinary planet. It's actually a millisecond pulsar, which means it's incredibly dense, packing more mass than the Sun into a space smaller than the city of London. Think about that for a second. A planet denser than a star, whizzing around its host at breakneck speeds. Finally, let's end our journey with a touch of sparkle. Introducing 55 Cancri E, a planet that's literally out of this world and potentially worth a fortune. Located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, 55 Cancri E is twice the size of Earth and boasts a rather unique composition. It's made mostly of pure crystallized carbon. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Deep within 55 Cancri E's interior, the intense pressure and heat create the perfect conditions for carbon atoms to bond together, forming a massive planet-sized diamond. Imagine the bling. Some astronomers estimate that this celestial diamond could be worth a staggering 26.9 nonillion, that's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. But before you start planning a cosmic heist, let me burst your bubble. 55 Cancri E orbits its star incredibly closely, completing a year in just 18 hours. This proximity results in a surface temperature of around 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while 55 Cancri E might be a treasure trove of sparkling diamonds, retrieving them would be a rather toasty endeavor. For now, this dazzling world remains a testament to the universe's ability to create beauty and wonder in the most unexpected places. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. From scorching hot gas giants to diamond planets, we've explored some of the strangest and most fascinating worlds the universe has to offer. But remember, this is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. With thousands of exoplanets already discovered and countless more waiting to be found, the universe is an endless source of wonder and discovery. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the cosmos. Who knows what other bizarre and beautiful worlds await our discovery? Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures.